Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a Walmart gift card on Amazon in 2025. While Walmart and Amazon are two separate entities, there is a way to utilize your Walmart gift card on Amazon. First, it is essential to understand that Walmart gift cards can only be used on Walmart's official website or in their physical stores. However, you can use the gift card to purchase an Amazon gift card from Walmart's website. To do this, start by going to Walmart's website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one to proceed. Navigate to the gift card section and search for Amazon gift cards. Select the Amazon gift card you want to purchase and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout and apply your Walmart gift card as the payment method. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive an email with the Amazon gift card details, including the gift card number and PIN. Next, go to Amazon's website and sign in to your account. Click on the Account and Lists tab. Then select Gift Cards. Click on Redeem a gift card and enter the gift card number and PIN you received from Walmart. Click Apply to add the gift card balance to your Amazon account. You can now use this balance to make purchases on Amazon. It is crucial to note that the Amazon gift card balance cannot be transferred or returned. So ensure you want to make purchases on Amazon before proceeding. In conclusion, while you cannot directly use a Walmart gift card on Amazon, you can use it to purchase an Amazon gift card from Walmart's website. This method allows you to utilize your Walmart gift card balance on Amazon, providing you with more shopping flexibility. Always ensure you follow the steps carefully to avoid any issues with your gift card balance.